everyone. Today I am kitting up my Elmo canvas. He is only 9 by 11 inches, so he's really not that big. You are to pick out a small canvas that you can complete by March 15th. There's been some confusion about the type. It can be a cartoon, it can be a small dog, a small cat, a dragon, a butterfly, a gnome. It can be anything small. Don't stress what's on the canvas as much as the size. It just has to be small. And the reason I say small, I just want you to be able to complete it by March 15th. We don't get to really work on our small canvases. I mean, there's mini events coming up, and I'm in a mini event right now, and there's a mega mini event in March. So minis, we are finding events for those. But small canvases, we always pick the big ones. And that's fine. But that will be your second canvas when you're done with your small one. You know you're going to start another canvas after you're done. So why not just share it with me and tell me what you're doing and carry on? I just want to know what makes you happy. I just want to see what you're doing next after your small canvas. So today I will be kitting up my Elmo because Monday was Elmo's birthday. And I told you that his mouth right here is all glow-in-the-dark drills. I don't know about that, so I'm just going to make the outside of Elmo glow in the dark, which I don't even know if it's really going to glow in the dark, because I tried to make them glow in the dark, but it didn't really happen that way. So I guess I didn't charge them enough. But I am going to start kitting up. And I am substituting regular 310 for Elmo's mouth and the eyes. So that's what I'm going to do. So let's see if these containers here are actually going to be big enough, because what I'm using are these guys. I don't know if that's going to be big enough, but I'm going to use like 2 of them. So, and let me get my tray out, so if I make a mess, so I really just want the event to be fun. I don't want anyone stressing out. I don't want anyone, you know, oh, I don't know if that's going to work because it's too big. Well, if you can finish it by the 15th, I guess, who am I to judge? Look at that, I put some flu in his bag. So, yeah. It turned out my whole family, with the exception of 2, got the flu from Disney. Will we do Disney again? Probably. Will we get flu again in my lifetime? Probably. I hope not. But, you know, flu's not going anywhere, guys. We haven't eradicated it. So, it is here. And I've got a bunch of escapee drills going on. So let me cover that. I ended up having to use 2 of the containers. I didn't know if I was going to really need 2, but they're full bags. This is a full bag. Come on, come off. It just all flew all over Elmo. Oh, and there's some more over there. All right. Good thing there's not a lot of colors in this. All right, where are my stickers? They are right here. And that was number 608, which is number 2. I thought it was number 3, guys. Whoops. It's number 2. So I'm going to put them together right there. Oh, let me write this. Number 608. Number 2. 608. There we go. All right, let's see what the next one will bring. Okay, this is number 741. 741 is number 3. I think I can fit that all in one container. Because this is his nose. This one's his nose. This is actually 608 is number 2. It's actually the color of Elmo. It's not really a bright red. It's almost like an orange. I might change that too, guys. I might, because Elmo's red. So here we go. This is his nose color. It's kind of close. So I didn't realize these colors weren't really spot on when it came to Elmo, because Elmo is red. I mean, he's red in the photo, he's red on the canvas, he's red on my shirt. So and this one is his eyes. This is the 3865 we all love, and we also like 5200. I know I do. Okay. And that's his eyes right in here. Okay. And then we got this electric 310, which is glow in the dark. Has anybody done the Elmo canvas and seen it glow in the dark? Let me know. Did you get it to glow? Email me a picture if you have done the Elmo or used Diamond Art Club's glow in the dark drills. Because this is his mouth around the eyes and the outside of him. But I am using plain black for his mouth. I might use a few ABs, but maybe not. I might just make his mouth black because it's a mouth, guys. Excuse me. In the background, these look exactly the same, but they're not. It's number 138 is right here. Okay, that is an AB. Nice choice because it's going to be used for the perimeter of Elmo, the outside. So let's see. It all fit. So this is number 1, and it's all over the outside. Now that one, I know we'll probably need more than one for this next color, which is 3766. So let me, what did I do with my pen, guys? There it is. Number 4, 3766. Okay. And this is number 4, so it's also going to be on the outside. So some of the blue is an AB and some is just a plain drill. And these are all jumping beans. So I really didn't want to make this event so complicated for people. Maybe I shouldn't have started with 2 canvases for my first, but it's my birthday and Elmo's birthday, and they're months next to each other. So rather than make it a really long event, I just want to celebrate my birthday and wanted you to celebrate it with me. So that's why I did what I did. And so far I have 10 people. 10. So I think it's going to be fine. I think we're going to have a good time. So, and I'm going to start working on my heart canvas for heart. I don't know what the event's called. Healthy Heart with Crafty Chef Diamond. So if you're not part of that event, she'd love to have you. All right, I'm going to clean this mess up. Let's see. Let's see what we can get put back in there. A few. Look at that. What a mess. They're just jumping out, guys. All right. I'm going to sign off of here and clean this up. And I don't think you want to be bored with all of that. I'd love having you guys here. Please join my event. We will have a good time. Email me your canvas, pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com. And let's have fun. It starts the 15th. So remember, always be kind.